Imagine you're standing at a crossroads. One path leads to a slow, steady life, working 9 to -5, saving diligently, and hoping to retire comfortably at 65. The other, it's a faster route, a road where you take control, build wealth on your terms, and create a life of freedom in just a fraction of the time. Which path would you choose? If the idea of taking that fast road excites you, then welcome to this audiobook summary of the Millionaire Fastlane by MJ DeMarco. In this journey, we'll uncover the blueprint to escape the ordinary and build the extraordinary. This isn't about lottery tickets or get-rich-quick schemes. It's about mastering the mindset, strategies, and steps that can accelerate your journey to wealth and freedom. So sit back, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Chapter 1. The Dream and the Trap. Most of us grow up believing in the same story. Go to school, get a good job, save 10% of your income, invest in the stock market, and if you're lucky, you'll retire rich. This is what MJ DeMarco calls the slow lane, a life plan that may offer security but rarely delivers freedom or happiness. Here's the problem. The slow lane relies on time. You work tirelessly for decades, hoping compound interest will eventually work its magic. But what if time runs out before the magic happens? What if life throws you a curveball, job loss, illness, or an economic downturn? DeMarco knew this trap all too well. He started his journey driving limousines for wealthy clients, watching them live the life he only dreamed of. He realized that while he was trading time for money, they were living on their own terms. That's when the question hit him hard. Why am I working for money when others have money working for them? That question became the turning point of his life, and it might just be the turning point for yours too. Chapter 2. Understanding the Fast Lane. Let's get one thing straight. The fast lane isn't about shortcuts or luck. It's about taking control of your financial destiny by creating value, solving problems, and building something scalable. Here's how DeMarco explains it. The slow lane is like walking to your destination. The fast lane is like driving a high-performance sports car. The key difference? Speed and control. In the fast lane, you don't rely on external forces like stock markets or pensions. You create your own destiny by building a business, a product, or a service that serves thousands or even millions of people. The 3 financial paths. DeMarco describes 3 financial paths that people follow. 1. The sidewalk. This is the path of instant gratification. People on the sidewalk live paycheck to paycheck with no plan for the future. 2. The slow lane, the conventional wisdom path. Work hard, save, invest, and wait for decades to enjoy the fruits of your labor. The fast lane, the road less traveled. Here, you build assets that can grow independently of your time, whether it's a business, intellectual property, or scalable investments. Here's the hook. Which path are you on right now? And more importantly, which path do you want to be on? The good news is, you can switch lanes at any time. Chapter 4. Mindset is everything. Here's a truth that's often overlooked. Your mindset will determine your success. If you believe that wealth is only for the lucky or the privileged, you'll never achieve it. But if you adopt a growth mindset, everything changes. DeMarco emphasizes the importance of self-education and taking calculated risks. He reminds us that every successful entrepreneur started with nothing more than an idea and the courage to act. Ask yourself, what limiting beliefs are holding me back? How can I start thinking like a problem solver instead of a victim? What small steps can I take today to begin my fast lane journey? Chapter 5. Execution is key. You've got the knowledge, you understand the principles, but now comes the most crucial part, execution. Ideas are worthless without action. The world is full of dreamers, but the fast lane is reserved for doers. You don't have to have all the answers right away. Take imperfect action and learn as you go. The key is to stay consistent and never lose sight of your vision, avoiding common pitfalls. Even on the fast lane, there are obstacles. DeMarco warns us about some common pitfalls, such as chasing trends instead of solving real problems, trying to do everything yourself, relying too much on external factors like luck or timing. The solution? Stay focused, stay humble, and always be learning. Surround yourself with people who challenge you to grow. Keep your eyes on the prize and don't get distracted by shiny objects. The fast lane lifestyle. Picture this. You've built a business that generates income even while you sleep. You're no longer tied to a desk or dependent on a paycheck. You have the freedom to travel, spend time with loved ones, and pursue your passions. This is the life the fast lane offers, not just financial freedom, but personal freedom. The freedom to live on your terms. But it's not handed to you, it's earned through smart decisions, relentless focus, and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. Conclusion: Your Fastlane journey begins today. As we wrap up this journey through the Millionaire Fastlane, remember this: your life is in your hands. You don't have to settle for the slow lane. You have the power to create something extraordinary. The question is, will you take the wheel and hit the accelerator, or will you let life drive you? Thank you for listening to this summary on Audio Pulse. If you're ready to transform your life, stay tuned for more inspiring content. See you in the next one.